Most people get this wrong. They assume debt collection services are always stressful and aggressive. But the surprising truth about TrueAccord is that it focuses on technology-driven, user-friendly solutions to help people manage debts responsibly. TrueAccord is an online debt recovery platform that uses AI and digital tools to communicate with consumers in a personalized and non-intrusive way. Unlike traditional debt collectors who rely on phone calls and letters, TrueAccord allows you to interact through email, text, or their website at your convenience. This approach reduces stress and gives you control over the repayment process. One standout feature is the platform's flexibility. TrueAccord lets you set up customized repayment plans that fit your budget. You can adjust the amount and schedule to avoid overextending yourself, which is rare in the debt collection industry. The surprising truth is how transparent and informative the system is. Every interaction is logged, and the platform explains your balance, interest, and payment options clearly. For people who have been intimidated by debt collectors in the past, this makes the experience much more approachable. However, TrueAccord does report payments and delinquencies to credit bureaus, so it's important to stay consistent with your plan. For those struggling financially, it can also connect you with resources or alternatives to manage debt more effectively. In conclusion, TrueAccord is ideal for anyone who wants a less stressful, flexible, and digital-first approach to debt repayment. It prioritizes communication and transparency, making a challenging process easier to manage. Subscribe for more honest reviews to help you navigate finance tools and services without the confusion or stress.